Look, if you're in Vegas and you haven't checked this place out, Viragrow is an awesome place to get a lot of your garden needs. I come here for soil and the mixtures. It's so much cheaper than buying in the stores. They even have things like perlite. Let's go check this out. So they sell by the yard. You can buy them in quarter yards. I have these two 25-gallon containers that equals about a quarter of a yard. I come out here, shovel, I fill these up myself. You can get this delivered as well. I think it's like $70 though, or $80. But they have so many different varieties of soil types. They have mulches. They have some fertilizers, fish emulsions. They got bark. I mean, they really have everything. I believe those soils have like biomass in them, but based on what you need, they have something that you can work with. I like to work with this stuff and amend it heavily for my containers. You have options. I just want to give you a better look at some of this stuff. Barks of all sizes and types. Pine. Check out these nuggets. Check out these nuggets. I mean, right now I swear I'm down here like every other week to fill up raised beds. I wish I've known about this place when I first started. And I believe this stuff is called Gorilla. I forget what he said this was called, but this is perfect for like your raised beds and containers, definitely. I don't know. Come check this place out, guys. If you guys know of better places than this in Vegas, let me know. I just stumbled upon this. I mean, you can't beat that, honestly. 50 gallons. Like, can you see that? Like $17. 50 gallons. That's a lot of pots. Just for a little math's sake, the 3 cubic feet of peat moss that I get is like 26 bucks by itself. Then I have to add in the decomposed granite and whatnot, perlite. So I went back in, I had to get pure perlite and this pumice. 28 freaking pounds of pumice. Both of these were under 20. You have to amend this soil, unfortunately, in my opinion. It could work by itself. Alright, so take a look. This is that soil. As you can see, there's a lot of wood in here, right? So this is going to have to be heavily amended. But there's a lot of additives and there's a lot of things that I like. Some people, I mean, that works for them. I plan for the worst case scenario. If it rains a lot, we're in monsoon season, I don't want to have to worry about coming out here and moving pots. At the same time, we're in a desert, so it doesn't rain often. I don't know, you do you, boo-boo. I'm just telling you what I do. Like I said, I'm not big on wood being in my soil, but I'm just going to amend this. This already has things like rock dust in here and sand. I believe he's moving to decomposed granite. Decomposed granite holds more moisture than sand, so that's amazing and beneficial. I think he has some sort of beneficial bacteria in here as well. I'm sure you can go on their website and see exactly what's in the specific concoction. So I am taking the principles that I normally use to make soil. We're adding more decomposed granite, lava rock, some of the perlite, and the pumice, as well as some charcoal. I'm going to get this mixed up. This wood will break down, and that's what can kind of kill roots. For a raised bed, this should be nice. It costs so much money to fill these raised beds. It's crazy. But with this method, I mean, you can't beat that. It's the finished product. This is a great deal, guys. And like I said, if you're not able to dig it yourself, you can get it delivered. I'm cheap. Still in good health. If I can do it myself, I'm going to do it. If you guys have any questions or any comments, put them down below. Like, share, and do all those things. Why can't we help each other benefit and share knowledge? Let's grow.